Before you start carving, you must ensure the bird is very well rested for a minimum of 30 minutes. I'd recommend you put a damp kitchen towel under your carving board to ensure it doesn't slip. Always use a razor sharp carving knife with a straight edge, never a serrated edge. Remove the leg by cutting through the skin between the leg and the body, then twist off. Feel for the backbone in the centre of the bird and place the knife to one side of it. Remove the breast by cutting down the length of the carcass towards the wing bone, and the whole breast will come off easily. Slice the breast across the grain, as carving with the grain can make it seem less tender and less enjoyable. There is no bone in the turkey breast, so don't be daunted, you just simply have to carve through it. To carve the leg, half it by cutting through the knuckle and portion the thigh along the bone, leaving the drumstick intact, and repeat on the other side. Now that you've carved your turkey, arrange the slices onto a warm platter. As you can see, carving a turkey is easier than you think.